Hi, I'm Braxton, and I'm going to show you how the lunch line works. So first of all, you would line up on this wall right here and wait for the doors to open right there. That one's for like the main course, and then the one all the way over there is kind of like the same. No one really goes over there. Like the second course kind of stuff, you don't go on both unless you want seconds on each. And in there you would get like let's say cheesy breadsticks, I don't know, and then you would have to get a veggie, and then like and there would be some different type of main course foods, and when you get to the end there's also snacks that you could buy. What else? You have to pay for your food, so there's that. No more free food. And yeah, that's just basically it. See you here, sixth graders.